.3.
So is that good?
That's it. That's the fastest. Yeah, I'm not going to go any quicker than that.
Well done, mate.
It's terrifying. I'm nervous.
You'll be all right.
If I remember it.
Run 5, mate. Nailed the course.
No.
Well, yeah, but you know where to go.
Just about. Just about. I did have a close call against the wall just now, but yeah.
But it's all about lines, I think, today.
Well, yeah, I know. Seem to be doing all right though.
Good.
There's 3 of us are pretty close. Definitely us and the KO close in class 1.
Issues, mate?
Take my ABS off.
Oh, that old trick. Mate, how are you? You well? Good to see you. Why aren't you racing today?
I know, right?
You should do.
I haven't got anything to do it.
You must have some full-size Hot Wheels somewhere, haven't you?
I've got my pickup truck, it's a 1.9 diesel, isn't it?
Let's get down to it. Class wins. We've got class 1 is Darren Phillips. Class 2, Wayne Hole. Class 3, Dave Goodwin. To make sure it's okay for today, is that right, Dave? And class 4, Kevin Richardson. Junior winners, Alfie Frummant. And the ladies' trophy goes to Kathy True. Well done, Kathy. You're the one to beat at the moment, aren't you? Roll the drums, the overall positions. 3rd overall, neat and tidy as ever. Didn't bring his pickup truck this time, but it's James Robbins. Well done, James. Brilliant. Right, 2nd overall was Wayne Hole. And I don't think he's had a win this year, so I'm sure he's really chuffed about it. Dave Goodwin.
In reverse order, he's going to have to drop his camera again, I'm afraid. No. So at 1 minute 12.3, 3rd is Kevin Richardson. second. You're going to have to pass the camera again, I'm afraid. Joel Gilby with a 1 minute 12. I'd love to say it was close, but it wasn't in the end. With a 1 minute 8.9 was Danny Griss.